From the vital energy of fire, from the purity of sand, from highly precise know-how, comes resplendent glass. The main ingredient of glass is sand, very, very pure sand. According to the intended end use, fluxes, stabilizing and refining agents are added and then mixed with the sand. Finally, cullet, pieces of broken or waste glass, complete the mixture. These carefully measured elements are blended. Then they're poured into a melting furnace divided into 3 baths. In the first bath, in a heat approaching 3000 degrees Fahrenheit, the various ingredients melt and fuse into a paste. In the second bath, this homogeneous paste is no longer in direct contact with the fire. Bubbles of gas remove the last of the impurities. The cooling but still molten glass goes from the third bath through various cold feeders, each feeding a different production unit. Each feeder delivers a gob of molten glass rigorously calibrated as to form and weight, varying according to the type of product, from just over an ounce for a stemmed glass to 6 pounds for a vase. Glass blowing is the best known process. Everyone has a mental picture of the glass blower, the blown glass stretching into the desired shape as the blower deftly twirls it. Today's automated manufacture guarantees the optimum and regular quality level. The gob of molten glass is deposited in the press mold. A plunger presses the gob into shape, and it's transferred to a rotating blow mold. Air pressure gives the glass its final form. Transported by its moil, the glass is taken to the cutter. It is fire again that cuts it off at the desired height. 30 seconds is all it takes to make a glass. Delivered to the annealing leer, it will emerge freed from the high internal stresses built up during manufacture. Finally, the finished articles are inspected, one by one, size, look, touch, before being packed. In this process, the gob of molten glass falls directly into a finishing mold instead of first passing through a press mold. Pressed by a conical plunger, the gob takes up the exact shape of the mold. The smooth inside form of the glass is made by the plunger itself. Only a few seconds are needed to give the glass its definitive shape. Extracted from the mold with the help of a push-up, it too goes into the annealing layer through the finisher tunnel. Calibration of the mold assembly has to be perfect, so as to give the glass its regular surface. For the same reason, mold polishing has to be meticulous, because the quality of the finished product depends largely on the quality of the molds. The finishing molds used in the pressed glass manufacturing process have to resist violent mechanical and thermal shocks. The same result can be obtained by putting the gob of molten glass into the center of a mold, which is then spun at high speed. The glass spreads out under centrifugal force to take the form of the mold. This process gives plates and dishes a faultless interior surface quality. Goblets, or stemmed glasses, are usually made in 2 parts. The upper part, the bowl, and the stem. Taken simultaneously into the preheating tunnel, the bowl and the stem are welded together. Fire magic, associated with extraordinary technological precision. Now complete, the goblet will go through the final phase. Fire, always fire, levels the foot with remarkable precision. It takes about 3 hours to make a stemmed glass. Some models are reheated to about 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and then quickly cooled. This is called tempering. A tempered glass is 2 or 3 times stronger. Today, several types of glass benefit from automated packing. Glass can be decorated by screen printing or other methods. 1 or more coats of vitreous enamel are applied and then reheated. It becomes practically unchangeable. There's no end to the colors and patterns that can be used. Any requirement can be satisfied. A prestigious decoration. The gold band is still a very delicate operation, much appreciated for its extreme elegance. Pure, clean, gleaming, the principal qualities of decorated glass. For all these products, there is only one criteria: perfection. Automated or personal inspection is indispensable at every phase of production. The technical and artistic know-how, as well as the acumen of the men involved, is relied on just as much as technological innovation. Nothing is left to chance. For many years now, computers have automatically regulated the electrical melting baths. Made from different basic ingredients, lead crystal can be recognized by its sound, its exceptional brilliance and transparency. A thing of beauty in all eyes, it entraps light marvelously. Its sparkling reflection naturally harmonizes with the splendor of ornaments that are works of art. An expression of the highest technology, 24% lead crystal perpetuates the dream of all magicians of the glassmaker's art.